case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1959, the United States District Court for the Eastern District of Louisiana heard the case, United States v. Peter, which revolved around the discovery of $22,200 in gold certificates hidden in a mattress. The mattress originally belonged to Emily Barron, a recluse who died in 1957 without leaving a will. After her death, the mattress was sold to John and Mrs. Cleland, who discovered the hidden treasure during a renovation. The Louisiana Civil Code Article 3422 states that a person who finds a lost item can keep it unless the true owner comes forward to claim it. The United States filed an interpleader action to determine whether the Clelands or Barron's heirs had the rightful claim to the gold certificates, given Emily Barron's secretive nature and lack of disclosure about the hidden treasure. Considering the evidence and testimonies, the court determined that the gold certificates found in the mattress belonged to Emily Barron and awarded her legal heirs the currency equivalent of the certificates. The Clelands' initial claim was overturned, as the preponderance of evidence suggested that Barron had hidden the certificates herself during her life.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.